Hi, I am AI anchor Sana. Let's have a look at the sports news update. The ICC T20 World Cup 2024 semi-finalists are India and Afghanistan from Group 1, South Africa and England from Group 2. Afghanistan will play their first World Cup semi-final against South Africa in Trinidad, while India will face defending champions England in a rematch of the previous tournament's semi-final. The knockout stage will focus on different rules for the semi-finals and finals. First, let's know, is there a reserve day for the Afghanistan vs South Africa semi-final? Yes, the first semi-final will have a reserve day if the match cannot be completed on the scheduled day, with an extra 60 minutes at the end of the day and 190 minutes on the reserve day. But the question occurs, will there be a fresh start on the reserve day? The match will begin with a coin toss and teams exchange. If the toss occurs on the scheduled day and no play occurs, the match's result is carried to the reserve day. If a reserve day is allocated, the match will be completed on the scheduled day with necessary reductions in overs. If the match starts on the scheduled day and overs are reduced but no further play is possible, deducted overs won't be counted. Example 1, the match began at 20 overs per side, with an interruption at 9 overs. Overs were reduced to 17 overs and play resumed. Rain stopped play and the match was abandoned. The match should resume on reserve day at 20 overs per side, with overs reduced if necessary. Example 2, the match starts at 20 overs per side, with an interruption at 9 overs. Overs are reduced to 17 overs per side, and play resume. After an over is balled, it rains, and play is abandoned for the day. The match resume on the reserve day at 17 overs per side, with overs further reduced if necessary. But what happens if the Afghanistan vs South Africa semi-final cannot be finished even on reserve day? South Africa will advance to the final due to their superior group standing in the Super 8 stage. Now let's know, how are the playing conditions different in the India vs England semi-final? Is there a reserve day? India vs England second semi-final has no reserve days, but the total 250 minutes of extra time will remain available on the scheduled day. But why does the India vs England semi-final don't have a reserve day? The ICC announced that India's semi-final will be held in Ghana, regardless of their Super 8 standings, for the convenience of viewers, as the first semi-final is a day-night fixture. But what will happen if the Afghanistan vs South Africa semi-final cannot be finished even on reserve day? India, having finished top of Group 1, will advance to the finals as they have a higher-ranked team in case of a no-result situation, similar to the first semi-final. There's something else you should know about the playing conditions. To achieve semi-final and final results, each team must have a minimum of 10 overs to bat for, instead of the 5 overs in group games and bilateral T20s. Catch more T20 World Cup updates only on Aaj Tak AI.